So this is such a beautiful bag to make with your scrap yarn. This is all scrap cotton, and I just pull out all from my stash and just put, you'll see 3 strands together, and I roll it into this humongous ball. As I said, the ball, when rolled, is about, in circumference, it's huge. It comes up to this big ball. It's maybe about 20 something. In my pattern, I have it written down how much it is. And then I just start working on the bag. I'm just showing here, like, even your variegated ones work good in it. You wouldn't even know it's variegated, and it just give it a nice look as well. You can see from the beginning how beautiful the bag is. This is all the tools of the trade, of course. I'm showing you what I used to make this bag. And then I started with the magic circle, and I work 8 single crochet in a magic circle, and then I work 2 single crochet in each single crochet, so that make it 16. And then I work 1 single crochet in next single crochet and 2 single crochet in each of the next single crochet, and I repeat that right around. That made it 24, and I go up until I have 5 single crochets worked between the 2 single crochet increase. So I go up to like 56. I mean, this count doesn't have to be exact. Nobody is gonna hurt you if you do 58 or 60. I just do it so that I can get the base of the bag the size I want it, which is about 9 inches. You could go to 10 inches, 12 inches. You can make a basket if you want. You don't have to stick with a bag, or you could make a much bigger bag if you want, but I did it 9 inches because of the size bag I wanted. All the measurements will be shown, what size it actually come up to. So this is just me going around, making it as flat as possible. You see how flat it is, and you just keep working your single crochets in between with your 2 single crochet together, so you increase. See, I'm showing you the threads here that are sticking out. I just usually just try to work over them as I'm going. And of course, I move up the marker as well to keep it at the beginning, because that's where you start and stop for each rung. Once you get to the 9 inches, as I said, you put a slip stitch at the marker, and then you just continue working. Sorry, once you get to the 9 inches for the base, that is, but then you just continue working until you get to the size of the bag you want. So I'm still working the base here. I'm jumping the gun a bit, but I'm still working the base here. I'm just going until I get to the size I want. But as I said again, you can make this as big or as small as you want. I'll measure it and show you exactly what I got to doing the base. And for the measurement of the bag I show at the top, that's what it would be. See? There we go. You can see it there. And you just continue going around. And when I work 2 single crochet around, just normal single crochet in each single crochet, no increase, then I do decrease row where I work 10 single crochet, then 2 single crochet together, then 10 single crochet, 2 single crochet together, right around till we get back to the marker. And that will give the bag a little curve so it can come up. See, you could see the little curve coming in this one. You could really see it curving. And from there, I work right up to the length of the bag I want. And I think I did 9 inches. I think by the time I finished with everything at the top of the bag, it was probably about 10 inches. But see where you see it there? Yeah, see, it's 7 inches here, sorry. And then I went up till it was 9 inches. And then I continue working. So then I work a rung of half double crochet, and then after I work that rung of half double crochet, that's where you'll string through the drawstring. I did the crab stitch around, or the reverse single crochet as it's known to, crab stitch or reverse single crochet. I did that too around it to give it a nice look. You'll see when I get to that point how nice that look. This is it right here. I'm working the crab stitch after I work the half double crochet rung, of course. And then after that, I end that off, and then I will start. See, that's it. Look how nice that is. Wow, nice and deep. You could do it longer. As I said, I start with to put on the rings. I make the little tabs for the rings, which is 4 single crochet and then single crochet in the next single crochet. So you'll work on 3 single crochet until you get to 6 rungs in total. So you just keep working that to 6 rungs, and then you will put the ring through and sew it together. That's what I'm doing here. You sew it together, and then after you sew that together, you sew it onto the edge of the bag. Just hold the bag so that you have both sides even, and sew the rings with the tabs, or sew the tabs on that has the rings in it. It is, see, that's me sewing it with a yarn needle. I don't think I said yarn needle at the beginning, but a yarn needle is very necessary for most projects. I always have one handy. You know, all this stuff I will list in the description. You'll see all the stuff that you need. And I put some tips in there as well. So make sure you read the description. So here I'm sewing on one of the tabs, and then I'll sew on the other one. Yeah, sometimes, especially with cotton, the needle get caught and it's kind of stiffer than working with acrylic or something softer, right? So like if you're working with bamboo, it'd be so easy, but the cotton tend to make it a little harder to work with. You just have to fight it through. It doesn't take long. And even when I sew, I'm hiding the cotton, the yarn, because I want to be able to finish it off so it looks neat. So I kind of sew it back through and go inside. You just do a few stitches and make sure that it's really secure. That's the only thing I always make sure with my projects, that they're really secure, and if you're giving it or selling it to someone, it's not falling apart from them. So that's what I did here. And then see, that's one ring, and then we do the same for the next side, exactly the same. And then from there we go to the bag strap. This is the strap for the bag. Or am I doing, no, I'm doing the drawstring. So the drawstring, I did 200. Oh no, it wasn't 200, I'm lying. I did 100 chains, and I just ended off. I put the little common pin, the little gold pin on the side, and I string it through the half double crochet rung. See, that's why I did the half double crochet there, so that I have somewhere to string through the drawstring. I'm just showing you how it's done, but I really don't string it before I finish it all, but I wanted to get our exact size to show you. So I did 100 chains with the 3 held together again. I still, throughout the whole bag, I'm using the 3 yarns held together. I never changed that. For everything I put on the bag is the 3 yarns held together, the 3 strands of the yarn held together. So just keep doing that. See, and I'm pulling it through, and that's what you do on the end there. And you can either do like a bow tie, or you can for when you pull it close together, you could do whatever you like. And see, there we are. See, I pull it in close. You know, you could fill up this bag. I might end up making a little purse to go inside, or I might just put a little bag inside to hold my phone. Like I still have some yarn left, so I will use that to make a little pocket to go inside, right? So now this is when I'm doing the strap, or the crossbody strap, and I do the same thing as I did for the tabs. I do 4 chains, single crochet in the second chain from hook and across, so you end up working the whole strap on 3 single crochets. And I did this till it got to I have all my notes up here, and I keep not wanting to look, but that's how it is. I do it till I get to 48 inches. And once I get to 48 inches, I start working the little piece that I would use to tie the strap, and that is so adjustable. So you will see when I get, see that this is it right here. I work 16 chains, and then I work a single crochet in the second chain from hook and right to the bottom, so it'll be 15 single crochets, and then I end it off and I hide all the there I'm cutting it, and I hide all the yarn after that, right? I will hide all that, but that strap is what I use to tie onto the next side, and you can adjust that high and low. So if you want the bag to fit lower on your body, if you want it to fit higher, this is where you tie it to your desired length. Like I'm shorter, so I make it a bit shorter, but it can go a little longer too. So for instance, my daughter is taller than me. If she want to wear it, she can do the same thing. And then I take one end, there we go, and I sew that one end onto the ring, the top of the ring, just like how I sewed the tab onto the bottom part. I sew the top end onto the, just on one side. And again, I tie the next side to make it adjustable. It makes the bag so convenient and easy. You can make it as a shorter bag, like a handbag. You can do it a crossbody bag. You can let it sit on your waist if you want, your hip if you want, or lower than your hip. That's how adjustable this bag is. And that's kind of the bag. Thank you for watching.